attention. And today, let's see the forces that changes geographical features on Earth. I'm going to do an experiment to simulate how the forces will change the landform. Let's start by simulating erosion. As we all know, erosion causes a lot of effects on geographical features. So, how exactly, if you didn't get a close eye on how it works, we are here to simulate it for you. So now, let's simulate the rain coming here and let's see what happens. We'll simulate the rain 5 times. So as you see, nothing really happened. But the water is getting wet and actually it's filling. The water is going to the sides of where the rain is happening. So, and now this is the second time we are keeping it. This is the second time the rain is coming. This is the third time the rain is happening. And as you see, the water is getting eroded and you can find out that it's going to the tray. So if you can see closely, if you can find out, actually this eroded a lot and you can see the water is brown. So the water is brown. So the soil has eroded, and see here there's actually a small dent over there where the rain happened. So now let's see the fourth and fifth time. What happens if it happens 2 more times? So this is the fourth time it's happening. And as you see, not a big difference coming in the tray, but still you can see like the first and second step, there's a dent coming in. If the rain comes fast, you can see more water got eroded and it's stuck right here. This is the fifth time. It's the fifth time, and this is raining heavily. So, as you can see, the tray has a lot of water and soil. That means it eroded a lot. And if you can see closely, right here, actually in the bottom, the sand got stagnated in the bottom of the ocean. So as you can see, due to the heavy rain, there's a small dent here. And moving on, you can also find a small 2 parts right here. This happened because when the rain came, it collected the sediment and moved to the ocean. So this small part came and this changed the geographical feature due to heavy rain. And all this happened because of erosion. When the heavy rain happened, the water eroded the sediment and moved on to the ocean. And if we see the ocean closely, we can actually find some land here in the middle of nowhere, And this happened because when this island formed due to sedimentation. So as you can see, we are going to do a new experiment. So just a quick overview before we dive into the experiment. This is a volcano, and below it you can see there's some water. So let's do the experiment. So we have to keep water, little water. Just see what happens. And you can see, as you can see, this is a simulation of the volcanic eruption. And actually, in real life, what happens when this volcano comes? The lava actually goes down to the ocean, and the lava goes down to the ocean and actually melts down over there and creates a rock that becomes an island. As you all know, there's 7 plates on Earth. Speaking about plates, have you ever thought about earthquakes now? And that's what we're going to do now. So we're going to do an experiment about earthquakes. So I'm going to show you what happens. So as you can see, we have 2 plates here and some rocks just for demonstration. We have some rocks, and if one plate collides with another, you can see right here the rocks are moving to the other side and creating a new landform. As well as you can see, there is if there's any mountain in the middle of these plates, the mountain will get risen up. And just want to mention this, the rocks here represent things and houses on the earth, basically. So this experiment actually shows how these things are moving, and as you see in real life, things will shake and everything, and it will move. So this is another way of seeing it. The rocks are objects, and they will get shifted to another place.